Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change name on Facebook. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Facebook, and here as we are on our home page, we need to click on our profile picture in the bottom left or bottom right corner. Here, as we are on the menu, we need to find this gear icon in the top right corner. This is settings, and click on it, go to the settings. Here choose the first option, Account Center, Meta Account Center, so click on it and go to Profiles and your profile picture with your name. Choose your account right here and go to Name, the first option. Here you can change your name, so basically from Peter I want to be something like Ben or something like that. And then when you are ready changing your name, adding something else, you need to click on Review Change in the bottom side of the screen, and the Facebook support team will review your new name, find if it is eligible or not, and change it as soon as possible. And basically that is it. That is how you can change name on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.